Should I sign a severance agreement after termination? Imagine walking out of your job and being handed a paper that could change your future. Should you sign it right away or take a step back? That's what we're here to figure out. When you lose your job, your employer might offer you a severance agreement. It's a legal document that usually includes a financial payout and other benefits. But signing it isn't always straightforward. It can mean giving up your right to sue for issues like discrimination or wrongful termination. So, before you sign anything, it's important to understand what you're agreeing to. First, look closely at what rights you might be giving up. Severance agreements often ask you to release your employer from legal claims. This can include unpaid wages, harassment, or unfair treatment. Once you sign, you usually can't take legal action later on for those issues. Some rights, like protections under federal laws, might not be waived, but it's not always clear. Knowing exactly what you're surrendering helps you avoid mistakes that could hurt you later. Next, evaluate the severance offer itself. The amount of money offered varies based on your salary, how long you worked there, and your role. Is the payout enough to cover your expenses while you look for a new job? Sometimes the offer might seem generous, but if it's too low compared to what you could claim in a legal case, it might not be worth signing away your rights. Timing is also key. Laws often requiring a waiting period before you sign a severance agreement, especially if you are over 40 years old. This cooling-off period gives you time to review the document carefully. It's smart to take advantage of this time and consult a lawyer. Rushing into signing can lead to mistakes, like agreeing to restrictive clauses you don't understand. Watch out for clauses that limit your future work options. Some agreements include non-compete or non-disclosure clauses. These can prevent you from working in similar jobs or talking about your former employer. Not all states enforce these clauses, but they can still be included to make you think twice. Recognizing these restrictions helps you avoid unintentionally limiting your career. Getting legal advice is one of the most important steps. An employment lawyer can explain what the agreement means, suggest better terms, or tell you if you have a stronger claim for legal action. Many people make the mistake of signing without understanding the full impact. Consulting a lawyer can save you from future regrets. If you are considering legal action for discrimination, harassment, or wrongful termination, signing a severance agreement might not be the best move. It could prevent you from pursuing those claims later. In such cases, it might be better to decline the offer or negotiate terms that don't waive your rights. Remember, severance agreements are negotiable. You can ask for more money, extended benefits, or removal of restrictive clauses. Employers might be willing to improve the deal to avoid legal disputes. Don't hesitate to negotiate if you think it's fair. In the end, whether to sign a severance agreement depends on your specific situation. Don't rush into it. Take your time to review the terms, understand what you're giving up, and seek legal advice. Doing so helps protect your rights and ensures you're making the best choice for your future.